In this video, we're going to go through all the days of the week, step by step, and we're going to practice saying them together. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to help you to build some useful sentences using the days of the week so you can actually use them when you speak. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, to say the days of the week in Spanish, it's los días de la semana. This is nice and easy because it's a literal word-for-word translation. So see if you can say it with me. Los días de la semana. Once more, los días de la semana. Okay, so well done. So let's now look at the days of the week in detail. So first of all, we have Monday. And to say Monday in Spanish, it's lunes. Lunes. Repeat after me. Lunes. And again once more, lunes. Okay, so well done. Now to say Tuesday in Spanish, it's martes. Martes. Repeat after me. Martes. And again once more, martes. Good, well done. So to say Wednesday in Spanish is miércoles. Now you see that miércoles has an accent above the E inside the first syllable. That just tells us that it's the first syllable that is the stressed syllable. So the pronunciation is miércoles. Miércoles. Repeat after me. Miércoles. Good, well done. And again once more, miércoles. Good, well done. To say Thursday in Spanish, it's jueves. Jueves. That J in Spanish is pronounced like an H. So repeat after me. Jueves. Good. And again once more, jueves. Well done. Now to say Friday in Spanish, it's viernes. Viernes. Repeat after me. Viernes. Good. And again once more, viernes. Well done. Now to say Saturday in Spanish, it's sábado. Now just like miércoles, sábado also has an accent above the first syllable. So we need to stress that first syllable when we're saying it in Spanish. So the pronunciation is sábado. Sábado. Repeat after me. Sábado. Good. And again once more, sábado. Well done. So to say Sunday in Spanish, it's domingo. Domingo. Repeat after me. Domingo. Good. And again, domingo. Well done. So now you know how to say every day of the week in Spanish. Now you may have noticed that the days of the week in Spanish aren't capitalized. The only time you'll see a day of the week in Spanish with a capital letter is at the start of a sentence. So this is different from how we write the days of the week in English. So remember, don't use capital letters when writing the days of the week in Spanish. Now, part of what makes up the days of the week is the weekend. To say the weekend in Spanish, it's el fin de semana. Literally, that translates as the end of week. So, Saturday and Sunday. Sábado y domingo. Y means and in Spanish. So we can put that into a sentence and say, el fin de semana es means is. El fin de semana es sábado y domingo. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So repeat after me. El fin de semana es. Good. Sábado y domingo. Good, well done. So repeat after me the full sentence. El fin de semana es sábado y domingo. Good, well done. Okay, so let's build some more sentences. So a common question that you might get asked is, what day is it today? And in Spanish, that's ¿Qué día es hoy? Now the H in Spanish is always silent, so the pronunciation is hoy, without the H, hoy. ¿Qué día es hoy? So repeat after me. ¿Qué día es hoy? Good. Once more. ¿Qué día es hoy? Now, to answer, we would say hoy es, which means today is. So, repeat after me. Hoy es. Once more, hoy es. So we could say hoy es sábado. Today is Saturday. Or we could say hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. Or hoy es jueves. Today is Thursday. Now, I always read all your messages, so tell me in the comments what day it is for you when you're watching this video, and I'll make sure to respond. Now let's talk about tomorrow. So you might get asked, what day is it tomorrow? And in Spanish, that's ¿Qué día es mañana? ¿Qué día es mañana? So repeat after me. ¿Qué día es mañana? Once more, ¿qué día es mañana? Now, to answer that question, we would say mañana es, which means tomorrow is. Repeat after me. Mañana es. Again, once more. Mañana es. So we could say mañana es domingo. Tomorrow is Sunday. Or we could say mañana es martes. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Or mañana es viernes. Tomorrow is Friday. Now, by the way, you can review all the information that we're covering in today's video by downloading the free PDF that I've created to accompany this video. The link for it is down in the description below. Okay, so now let's look at the past. So, something you might be asked is, what day was it yesterday? And in Spanish, that's ¿Qué día fue ayer? ¿Qué día fue ayer? So repeat after me. ¿Qué día fue ayer? Good. Again, once more. ¿Qué día fue ayer? Now, to answer that in Spanish, we would say ayer fue, which means yesterday was. So repeat after me. Ayer fue. And again, once more. Ayer fue. So, some examples, we could say ayer fue miércoles. Yesterday was Wednesday. Or we could say ayer fue jueves. Yesterday was Thursday. Or ayer fue lunes. Yesterday was Monday. Now, the best way to really master the days of the week in Spanish isn't just to memorize individual words. It's to practice using them in real sentences so they come out naturally when you speak. And that's exactly what my beginner Spanish course helps you to do. It guides you step by step to build full Spanish sentences from the very first lesson, using the most commonly used words. You can check out the course for free right here on YouTube by clicking the thumbnail that's on screen now, or by following the link that's in the description below. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.